What's good, y'all? It's your boy Good Vibe Jones in the building. Go ahead and get my little cardio on in this morning. We outside, you can't see me? We outside. We outside. Just got done doing a 9-hour shift. Now I'm going ahead and getting my cardio this morning. Got my cardio. Got the kids off to school. We outside. I do this all the time. You know how to drive fast as hell. We outside, my dad. That's what we do. We outside. We outside. I don't get no service in here. We outside, man. I'm getting my cardio in. Hard work pay off. Your boy Good Vibe Jones in the building, my guy. That was a nice little walk. Chilling like a villain. I do this all the time. Oh, I ain't getting no service. I ain't had nobody to call. But we out here. Oh yeah. Definitely about to get my mind right. We out here, my guy. I'm out here in nature. That's what we on in nature. Doing our thing, man. I'm gonna keep on hitting y'all with some random videos every time.